Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today in this video, we will see how to change or switch Apple ID account on iPhone. So let's begin. Open your profile bar which is on the top. Now scroll down till you find the sign out option. Click on the sign out button. In order to completely sign out, you have to enter your Apple ID password. Once you do that, simply click on the turn off option which is on the top right corner. Now, if you want to keep the copy of any of the thing that is shown here in the screen, you can simply toggle on the screen. If not, simply tap on the sign out option. As you can see, now my account has been signed out, and if I want to change my Apple account or to sign into a new account, all I have to do is click on top bar and enter the ID of the respective account I want to sign into. By doing this, I'll be able to switch the account, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.